A lot of people on Georgia Tech's campus say they do design, but when you're an industrial design student, we do things a little bit differently. You see, we put the human being at the center of everything that we do, whether it's translating a novel technology to be usable, useful, and understood by people, whether it's translating ideas and concepts for a better product to be used by a person, is key to everything that we do. We combine artistic talents in developing form to be able to communicate intent, to be able to communicate function, to be able to communicate brand alignment with existing design language, as well as combining engineering and manufacturing understanding to develop products that are both usable, joyful, entertaining, as well as manufacturable and implementable into the real world. Nobody understands the human being like an industrial designer because we both take the time to learn and understand about people, and then we take that understanding and implement and create and manufacture goods to solve their problems.